Technology. Again, in this case, we will be going through the alphabetical series and its numbers in forward direction and reverse direction. So again, as I said in one of the previous sessions, that you have to first write down the alphabets and their numbers in both directions, forward and reverse. So let's directly go to the first question. So B is having relationship with 9. So what is the relationship of H? So your options will be A, B, C, and D. So here options are 10, 81, 49, and 100. So what is your answer? Anyone? Yes. I guess chat is open, so you can put your answer. Private message part of 10. Chat. प्रायव्हेट मध्ये बाकीच्यांना दिसत नाही. Rishikesh. Yes. Okay, fine. I think now everyone is coming with the answer. So till now everyone has selected the option B, that is 81. So answer is right, that is 81. So what is the logic in this case? So if you find out the number of B, so that is 2 plus 1 and its square is giving you 9. So B is having a relationship with 9. As like that, H is having the number 8 plus 1, its square, right? So 9 square will become 81, and therefore your option is B, that is 81. Very simple one, right? Next, you can F divided by L is to 1 by 2. Then F divided by X is to what? Your options are A, B, C, D. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 1 by 8. Mandar, why don't you recheck your Sahil? Why don't you check your answers? I don't know. I think someone had written something like D option. I think Mandar, Akshay, Dhruva. Why don't you recheck your answer? So let's go through how it is the option C, that is 1 by 4. So here F and L are, the F is having number 6 and L is at number 12. So it becomes 1 by 2. Likewise again F and X. So F is having 6 So the x is having 24, so it will be 1 by 4, and therefore your option 1 by 4, that is C, is the answer. Fine. I guess everyone is conveniently understanding it. CEGI is to JHFD, having KMOQ is what? Options are A, B, and C, D. So RPNL, LNPR, RNPL, and LPNR. So these are the options. Om, why don't you recheck? Yes, I think Ravish, please recheck your logic. So let's go. CEGI, fine. Then the J, H, F, and D. So this is the first pair which we can consider. So what is relationship here? Here, if you consider C plus 2 is E, E plus 2 is G, G plus 2 is I plus 1. So in these two, it is plus 1. Here it is plus 2. Right, so I plus 1 is J, J plus 2 is H plus 2, J minus H is, J minus 2 is H minus 2 will be F, right, and minus 2 will be D, fine. So that would be a case. Likewise, for next one, KMOQ, so after Q, there must be the next one, that is R. So Q plus 1 is R. And again R minus 2 will be your P, minus 2 will be N, minus 2 will give you L. And therefore R, P, N, L is your option. Right, and therefore answer is A for question 3. Fine. Now B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P having question mark, V, X, Z, B. Your answers, options are D, F, H, J, M, O, Q, S, N, P, R, T, L, N, P, R.
Sir, can you repeat the fourth question?
B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P, question mark, V, X, Z, B. Your options will be D, F, H, J, M, O, Q, S, N, P, R, T, and L, N, P, R. So these are your options.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, answer is NPRT, no doubt. Option C will be your answer. But how? What could be the logic so that you can get NPRT as your answer? So, very simple one, B, D, F, H having a relationship with J, L, N and P. So in between these, so this plus this or something plus B is J. So how much it is? It is 8. So same relationship is existing between D and L. So D plus 8 is L, F plus 8 is N, H plus 8 is P, right? So this is logic, that plus 8. Now after plus 8 you get this one, but from this you have to calculate this one. So here you have to minus, so V minus 8, X minus 8. So likewise Z minus 8 and B minus 8. So V minus 8 is N, right? X minus 8 will be here P. Then Z minus 8 will be R and B minus 8 will be T, and therefore NPRT is your answer. That is option C. Fine. So I guess everyone have gone through the correct option. Those who wanted to take the screenshot, they can. Okay. So next one, fifth, we can consider fifth one. Carefully go through this logic. APOC question mark I T S K having relationship with M V U N. Options are A, B, C, D. So A is D R Q H E Q R H E R Q G and E R Q F. Now see, three options are having common number E Q R. Yes, I guess everyone is clicking selecting the correct option, option D. So see, in this case nothing is great, only thing is that here the different kind of logic has played. So now you have to find a relationship in between these two. So I, T, S and K. Instead of writing in this way, I will write it below, M, V, U, N. Now, what is the relationship between I and M, T and V, S and U, K and N? So I plus 4, JKL, and then M is fourth one. Excuse me. Is M, T plus 2 will be V, S plus 2 is U, and I think K plus 3 is so K plus 3 is N, and therefore now you have to find out this particular, right? So it is the A P, O, C. So A plus 4 must be your first letter. P plus 2 must be second letter. O plus 2 must be third letter. And C plus 3 must be the last letter. Right. So A plus 4 is E. P plus 2 is R. O plus 2 is Q. And F plus 3 is C plus 3 is F. Right. So in this way, E, R, Q, F is your answer. Right. So option D is the answer. 10, 31, 019 is to 12, 14, 21, 30. 34, 36, 43, 52, question mark. A, B, C, D. 45, 38, 39, 47, 45, 47, 54, 63, 45, 37, 30, 39, 45, 52, 61, 54. So what is your answer? Come on. Yes, mixing of answer. Akash, why don't you check? Those who have selected D, please recheck your logic. Very simple one. Again, those who are selecting A, please recheck your logic. So, what here we have? 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 numbers. So let's write 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 0 and 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 9. Right. So this is, let's subtract it. You will get here 1, hatsala ek, 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 ek. So the difference between these is 1, 1. Now very simple, the relationship must be exist is equal to this one. So there is only one number, this one. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. And therefore, your option B is your answer. Right? So the difference of this number and this number, right, that means if you subtract this number from this number, you will get this much difference. And therefore, option B is your answer. Sometimes we start to think greatly about great logic, but at that time, in such time, the logic comes very easily. 8 is to 32, then 12 is to what? I thought, don't write your answers. So my options, please. 4, 4, 58 72 71. Now tell your answer. Yes, everyone is getting option C, 72. Fine. So it was not like 8 by 4, 32, likewise 4 by 12 will be 48. Not like that. Right. So here the pattern is n square divided by 2. So in one case, your n is 8. So 8 square is 64, you know, divided by 2 has become 32. And in another case, your n is 12, right? So that has become 144 divided by 2. So it has become 72. And therefore, option C is your answer. Fine. Now, A by 4 is 2, 5 by Z, question mark, 7 by Y. So B by 6, C by 7, C by 5. So what is the answer? Yes, everyone is getting the correct one. Anyone who can write about this particular logic? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then what about C? Sorry, not C, I think B. I think yes, this one is 4 plus 2 and yes, that's fine. So here is a pairing AZ. So here it is Y. Therefore, here it must be B, right? So here it must be B, here 7 by Y. So don't worry about this one. It is already with us, right? We will be thinking only about the place of question mark. So as here relationship is AZ, here it should be BY. Right now, if you consider this one, so it is 4 plus 1, which is here. Right. Therefore, 7 minus 1 will be 6. Got it? So it is a kind of logic wherein you can write A is having a pairing with Z and 4 plus 1 is 5. Fine. So this is A by 4 and 5 by Z. This could be a case. Here, likewise, B is having relationship with Y, and I will write plus 1 is equal to 7, but this is equal to 7 minus 1, right? So that is the case which we can consider. Fine. And therefore your answer is B by 6, that is option A